Why do you think it's toilet paper? Why toilet paper?
You just gotta wipe your butt.
Which one's that? Chicken? Okay. Thank you. Okay, mag-away dito. Okay na lang naman. Busog na ako. Hello! Peace! Happy Wednesday! Hapon na guys. 7 na dan in 30 to 45 minutes. Darating siya from work. Dumating kami dito galing Renmark on Monday. And that was my last vlog. Yesterday, hindi ako nag-vlog kasi nag-edit lang ako nag-edit. So, I finished 3 videos yesterday. And kanina, inasikaso ko yung hindi din kasi ganun ka-okay yung pakiramdam ko. So, that's why, like, nag-chill-chill lang ako. Like, nag-edit. Tapos, hindi na ako nag-worry na mag-vlog pa. And then, I took care of my requirements as well para i-report yung marriage. So, I'm not sure if applicable siya sa lahat ng countries outside Philippines. Matagal ko na tong alam actually. Nung bago pa lang kami ikasal na dan, nakaka-receive na ako ng mga emails galing sa mga concerned citizen, which I'm very grateful. Sobrang thank you kasi kung wala kayo, hindi ko naman alam yung mga ganito. Pero inano ko lang siya, hindi ko lang siya pinansin. Now, kailangan ko kasing mag-renew ng passport. Hindi naman like, as in sobrang kailangan talaga. Pero gusto ko kasi ma-renew ko yung passport ko as early as I can. So, yung passport ko, valid pa naman siya hanggang January 2021. Pero pwede siyang i-renew kung 8 months na lang natitira sa passport mo. So, that's what I'm planning to do. Now, lalo na dito sa Adelaide, wala kaming Philippine embassy dito na nagre-renew ng passport or like Philippine consulate ba yun sila embassy. Yung boses ko talaga na iba. So, kailangan kong pumunta ng Sydney or Canberra or Melbourne, I'm not sure, kung gusto ko magpa-renew ng passport. Pero meron din silang mobile passport service na pumupunta sila sa states na walang embassy, walang consulate para tulungan kayo na i-process yung renewal ng passport mo or kung may iba kang kailangan na asikasuhin tungkol sa passport mo, I think. Ililive ko yung link na yan sa description box ha. And schedule siya. Yung schedule nung sa akin is May, which is perfect. So, matagal pa naman siya. Pero gusto ko ma-report na yung marriage ko or marriage namin ni Dan before ako magpa-passport just in case kailanganin nila yung report of marriage. Lalo na maiiba yung last name ko sa new passport ko. Alam mo yun? So, I took care of all the requirements already. Ang kapal-kapal kasi kapag more than 1 year na yung marriage mo tapos hindi mo pa na-report, kailangan mong mag-fill out ng affidavit of late registration and it requires 4 copies of each document na required nila. So, may 4 copies of each document ako kaya sobrang dami nito and I need that to be anong tawag dun? Parang is-certify true copy ng Justice of Peace ba? So, at least na-gather ko na siya lahat. Ipas-certify true copy ko lang siya. So, just in case hindi nyo pa na-report yung marriage nyo, guys, ililive ko din yung link ng website sa description box para makita nyo yung requirements. Sa Australia lang yan, ha? Wala akong kalam-alam sa ibang bansa. So, please don't ask me. Just Google it. Kasi kapag nag-share ako ng mga ganito, yung mga tao sa ibang bansa like Canada or other countries nagtatanong sa akin, hindi ko naman alam. Yung mga bagay-bagay nga dito sa Australia, alam ko lang dahil sa ibang tao din. So, share ko lang sa inyo. Link will be below. Meron akong lista dito kasi pupunta kami na Dan sa grocery. Wala akong gana kumain kasi nga medyo hindi ganun ka-okay yung pakiramdam ko. So, kumain lang ako ng prutas. At least kumain ako, tas prutas pa, diba? Pero gusto ko magpansit. Ito yung canton na binili namin kina Ate Cheryl. Ito. Gusto ko magpansit na naman, but I don't think I will do that now kasi parang late na ata kami darating ng bahay. Kung mamaya pa darating si Dan. Meron nga pala ako mga na-receive na package galing Charis. I-leave ko yung mga links nito sa description box ha. I got a blush. Easy peasy coloring stick. Sweet red pepper yung shade niya. Ganito siya oh. Ang cute niya. Ayan, hindi ko pa siya nagamit. Ganito na nga na mga produkto. Produkto talaga. Ang ginagamit ko as a blush. Cream blushes na ako ngayon. Hindi na ako masyado nagpa-powder blush. Kasi hindi naman ako nagre-retouch. And I find cream blushes na mas nagtatagal compared sa powder blush. I will try that and let you guys know. But meron pa sila iba-ibang shade. I-leave ko yung link sa description box. Now, this one, I'm not sure kung lotion siya para sa katawan or it's a moisturizer para sa mukha. Kasi yung naiintindihan ko lang is yung name niya, which is Aquato. And it says here, moisture lotion. So, I'm not sure if it's for the body or for the face. I'm assuming it's for the face kasi maliit lang siya. But wala talaga siyang English instruction. If it's a body lotion, it's good as well kasi mas nakaka-consume ako ng mas maraming body lotion kaysa sa mukha or moisturizer kasi konti lang naman gagamitin sa mukha. Anyway, they sent me these as well, guys. Lipsticks and eyeshadows, which I'm not gonna open kasi I'm gonna give this away. Hindi ko kasi talaga ginagamit yung eyeshadow and sayang kapag na-swatch ko na siya. Kapag na-swatch ko na yung something, parang nahihiya na akong ipamigay kasi na-swatch ko na. So, I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm not gonna open it, but it looks like this. Yeah, unfortunately, hindi ko siya mapapakita sa inyo. But I'm sure marami namang mga video dyan tungkol dito na I'm pretty sure will do a way better job than me when it comes to reviewing products. But this is Vyvydstudio. Dalawang shades. Ang sakit nun Brick Moment yung isa. The other one, Skin Moment. Ito yung mas magagamit ko because they are lip tints. I have the Vyvydstudio Lip Flash Matte and Lip Flash Vinyl. Number 9 na shade. Rosy Voice. But magkaiba siya ng formula. So, try natin yan. Lip Flash Vinyl. Number 13, New Wave. Try natin yan. Kaya lang may lip tint na ako. Hindi muna natin yan i-open. But ililive ko yung link nito sa description box. If you guys are interested, gagamitan natin yan soon. Hintayin na lang natin si Dan and see kung meron siyang i-add dito.
Eat that soul chatsui thing.
What's that? Ooh, do you want that? Do you want that? Or...
Oh,
yeah, that's
you
good.
You tell me.
No, the Korean now. Yeah, I want Korean.
Don't Korean now?
Yeah. Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah.
Guys, dito kami sa Kohl's. And alam nyo ba, ang dami namin nakikita sa Instagram na nagkakaubusan ng toilet paper. So, tingnan natin. Kasi nagkakaubusan daw. And sabi ni Dan, meron daw shop dito, malapit, na ubos na daw din. At saka, meron ding client niya na galing din sa shop. Naubos na din daw talaga yung toilet paper. So, we'll see. Kasi we need toilet paper. At kapag ubos na, ewan ko na lang, ano na lang, iwa-wipe natin sa ating asshole. Look at this avocado. So cute. Tiny. Guys, okay pa naman yung mga fruit and veg. Meron pa naman silang benta. Hindi pa tayo nakarating sa toilet daw. So, we'll see. Pero, yeah, okay pa naman. Yan, si Dan, kuha siya ng bread. This is what we have so far. Hindi pa namin sure kung bakit nagpa-panic buying yung mga tao. Sabi nila yung mga pinapanic buy daw nila is toilet paper, pasta, and rice. Ay, yung mga nakikita ko sa Instagram is yung ang dami ng memes ng mga tao kasi yung cart nila full of toilet paper. And the reason why do you think it's toilet paper? Why toilet paper?
You just gotta wipe your butt.
Sabi ko, uy, hindi naman tayo mamamatay kung walang toilet paper. First world problems.
What else we need to think about?
Totoo nga, tingnan nyo. Walang toilet paper. Tingnan nyo, guys. This is crazy. As in, wala. We need it. We need toilet paper. What are we gonna do? Tingnan mo dito. Wow, how many rolls do we have left? Like 3? Bakit? Sa lahat talaga. Yun, toilet paper, wala. Even the wipes. They're running out of wipes. Oh my goodness. Let's check if they have the noodles that I like. That love. Ah, here. Shinram yun. Yeah. Ito yun. Sarap to, guys. Ito yung kinain namin nila Love. Nilalay nila Manay. Nung nag-midnight snack kami. That's good. Kaya lang wala tayong toilet paper. Yung rice din. Yeah, I know. Thank you, babe. Kasi last bili ni Dan ng rice, 1 pack. So, 5 ganyan. Hindi din kasi yan yung kinakain ko, yung medium grain. Jasmine eh. Ganito na malaki. Pero nagkakaubusan na din. Oh, sorry. Guys, yung pasta din. Pasta sauce. Tingnan nyo, wala nang laman. All the pastas are gone. Wala na. Meron na lang ito. Risone. Parang rice.
Where's our car?
Our car stay. Tapos na kami, guys. And alam nyo ba, nagtanong kami kay kuya nung mga staff doon nung naghanap kami ng toilet paper kasi hindi naman kami nagsastock. Kailangan talaga namin ng toilet paper. So, tinanong din yung kuya. Sabi niya, wala na tao talaga. Pagdating namin sa counter, kasi nagpunta kami dun sa counter na sila yung magsascan ng mga items namin. Tinanong namin si ate. Tapos, is that our receipt?
No.
Okay. Tinanong namin si ate. Tapos sabi niya, tawagan ko lang yung sa stock room. And, meron silang natirang 5. Bumili kami ng 2. And alam nyo ba magkano itong 9? Meron siyang lamang 9 ha. $8. $8. Normally, how much is it?
That should be about $4.
Yeah, $8 guys. So, bali, halos $1 a roll ha. Kasi meron siyang 9 rolls dyan. Yung mayaman ang gumagawa ng toilet paper ngayon. We will go get Korean. Kasi, wala na. Anong oras na? Wala nang time magluto ng dinner. Meron pa namang time. Kaya lang matatagalan yung pagkain natin eh. Ako ay gutom na. So, we will go Korean. Kasi sabi ko kanina sa kanya, mag-ano kami? Dumplings. Tapos, he came up with the Korean food idea. And I was like, yeah, that actually sounds good. So, we will go get Korean food. My gosh, yung mga tao talaga. It is because, the reason why nagpa-panic buying yung mga tao is dahil sa coronavirus. As in, ang dami ko nakikitang posts sa Instagram about yung mga tao, yung cart nila is puno lang ng toilet paper. And dun sa nakita ko, it's toilet paper, yung mga paper towels, even the tissues. Kasi kailangan din namin ng tissue. Merong natira pero konti na lang. So nakabili kami ng isa. Pero okay lang naman because toilet paper, sabi nga ni Dan, how many toilet paper brands are actually made here? 11 out of 13?
Yeah.
Yeah. So hindi naman siya in-outsource namin sa China. Or alam nyo yun? Pero nagpa-panic buying yung mga taong toilet paper. Sa Pilipinas, ano yung pinapanic buy? Can you still buy mask here?
I don't know.
Yan yung hindi namin alam. Hindi naman namin nakikita na nagmamask yung mga tao. Kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit. Why did they start stacking up toilet papers and all that? May ka-taxi then. Mamaya na.
I don't know.
That's alright. Neil actually posted something funny. Along the lines of, is coronavirus giving you the shits? Because everyone's buying toilet paper. Ano, kalibanga ba tong kalibanga ba tong coronavirus? Bakit naubusan tayo ng toilet paper? Natatawa ako kasi yung unang tanong ko talaga kay Dan, bakit toilet paper? Sa lahat, bakit toilet paper yung pinapanic buy ng mga tao? Kasi may kausap din si Dan sa phone kanina and sabi niya, worst case scenario, ano na lang daw gagamitin niya? Newspaper.
Nope.
Kasi toilet paper. You can't do it?
Better pay $1 a roll than use newspaper. No way would I use newspaper on my house.
Have you have you ever used newspaper at all when you were young? No. Oh, very nice life you have. My life. I've used newspaper. I've used
Have you?
leaves. Yeah.
Serious?
Ay nako, Seoul Express tayo. What are you gonna get?
The usual.
The usual. The okay. How about me? Dito na kami, guys. We got our drinks. So, you got Sunkissed. You ordered Fanta. Doesn't matter? Yeah. And then I got the grape soda. Yummers. I am hungry now. Yeah. Go, my love. Dito pala kami sa Seoul Express, guys, ha. May mukbang kami nito. Ililive ko siya sa taas. Which one's that? Chicken? Okay. Thank you. Please don't forget my... Okay, no, that's alright. I've got serviette here. Yeah. Thank you. Uy, nilagay nila yung sauce. Gusto ko sana plain lang muna. That's alright. Grabe kalaki nito, guys. Yan yung kay Dan. Grabe ang laki. Let's eat.
That's it.
Good? That's good. Guys, yung chicken ko, parang hindi siya cooked. Sobrang laki niya. So, may mga parts naman na cooked siya. But, ayan, reklamo na si Danny Boy. Guys, hilaw yung chicken namin. Si Ate, nakipagtalo siya. Sabi niya, no, hindi yan hilaw, hindi naman yan red. Hindi naman siya completely red, pero hindi siya completely luto. So, hindi ko siya naubos. Pero okay lang, busog na din naman ako. Kasi sabi ni Dan, no, that's not cooked. Sabi niya, no, it's cooked. Sabi ni Dan, no, that's not cooked. They went back and forth. So, sabi ko na lang na, that's okay. Okay, mag-away dito. Okay na lang naman. Busog na ako. Kasi sabi niya, if you want, we can cook it more for you. Sabi ka na. Okay na. Busog na ako. What do you think of my chicken?
Chicken wasn't cooked.
Nakita niyo naman, guys, hindi siya cooked, diba?
Mine was really good though.
Yeah, yours was really good. Tinry ko yung kay Dan. Sarap. Masarap naman dyan. That was the first time na hindi siya like fully cooked. But... And that's a no-no for a chicken, guys. Alam niyo naman yan. Chicken should be cooked. She said, no, that's not red. Well, it's not red, but it's not completely cooked.
That should be white.
Should be white, right? Okay na kami, guys. Let's do a quick haul. Nabili naman namin lahat na kailangan namin bilhin, which is good. Meron tayong mamahaling toilet paper. Dalawa. Usually, yung binibili namin is yung marami. Pero yun lang kasi natira kasi nga nagkaubusan na. But at least we have those. Nakalimutan na naman namin magdala ng bag. Sorry. We got bread. Ayan. Magkano yung nabayaran natin lahat? Kunti lang kasi. Total for 27 items, $91.25. Para dito sa lahat, ha. The sun. We've got this. So, yung natira nila na tissues is ito na lang. Mga ganito na lang kaliliit. Wala na sila nung malaki. Eh, wala na kaming choice. So, bumili kami isa. Kasi isa lang naman kailangan namin yung dito lang sa lounge. Meron pa naman kami sa kwarto. I got this, the Shinramyun. Sabi nila yung masarap daw ito lagyan ng cabbage at saka bean sprouts. So, yes. And then, ayan. Kasi kumuha ako nito. KitKat. Tapos si Dan sabi niya, bakit ikaw lang? So, kumuha din siya ng kanya. Tapos, bumalik pa siya, guys. Nandun na siya sa counter, ha. Tapos, pasunod ako sa kanya sa counter. Kinuha ko to. Sabi niya, how come? You got chocolate. Sabi ko, wala lang. Gusto ko kumain ng KitKat. Sabi niya, me, how about me? Tapos, alam niya ba ginawa? Kahit nandun na siya sa counter, wait a sec. Pumunta pa siya dun sa chocolate aisle and kumuha ng malaking bar ng chocolate. Sabi niya, this is a better deal. Sabi ko, I don't care about deals. I got salt-reduced chicken stock and salt-reduced beef stock. Ayan. That's one bag. We got spinach. Ayan sa lunch na Dan. Asparagus. Oh, we got stickies as well. Okay. Snappies kasi nga magkakanton ako or pansit. And then, we got some corn. Ay, nako. I was editing the mukbang today. Yung mukbang lobster. Tapos gusto ko na tuloy mag-lobster ulit. Tapos yung corn na sobrang sarap. Naalala ko yung kung gaano kasarap yung corn with the brown sauce. My gosh. Garlic. And then we got... What is this, Ped? Nectarine. Para siyang apple na maliit. Nectarine. And then... we got some meat. So we have chicken thigh fillets, chicken drumsticks. I'm pretty sure I got chicken wings as well. And then breast fillets. Yes. And then banana. And we got Dan's steak. One dinner. And then, bumili ako ng beef soup bones. Kasi gusto ko magnilaga. Beef nilaga. Masarap yan. So, gawin natin yan. Hala! What time is it now?
7:45.
Come on.
7:20.
Ah! dinner party pala tonight ng ano, Married at First Sight. Yung tayo niyan. Yun lang. At least, meron kaming toilet paper. We've got stickies. 3 stickies, babe. So, tingnan natin. Hala. Magkaiba talaga yung mga stickies nila ngayon. Hindi ko maintindihan. What's this? It's like a cookie? No, that's not a cookie.
Let's see what's the back look like.
The back? See?
Is it a chocolate cookie?
Is it a chocolate cookie or a chocolate? Just a chocolate? Ano to? Their stickies now are confusing. Last time, ano talaga, madaling intindihin. Babe, an egg. Yan! Mabilis intindihin. Aww. Is it an avocado, my love? But it doesn't have a seed. So, ano to? Avocado na walang seed? That's cute. Anyway, those are our stickies. Pamimigay naman yan. Hindi naman kami nang molesta ng stickies. Tinanong ako ni ate, tapos sabi nila, yes. Kasi tinatanong kanila kapag nangongolekta ka or hindi. So sabi ko, wag na kasi hindi naman namin siya ginagamit. Wala naman kaming bata na maglalaro niyan. Pero ipamamigay namin yan. I think si Baby V mahilig dyan. Talino pa naman yun. Alam niya yung mga stickies niya. Bigyan natin yan kay Baby V. Where's our other stickies? Wala na guys. Naka-earphones na siya. Busy na siya. Hindi na niya tayo pakikinggan. Tingnan niyo yung news, guys. It's all about toilet paper as well. Mga empty shelves. Tingnan niyo. Walang mga laman. $3,000. Oh my gosh. Someone's selling it for $3,000, my love.
What's that?
Toilet paper.
I was doing it as a joke.
Yeah. That's crazy. Look at that. Nakamute yung TV kasi nga may trabaho si Danny Boy. Pero tingnan nyo. As in, yung toilet paper talaga na aisle. Sa lahat ng aisle, yung toilet paper talaga. Pinapakinggan ko yung guys, showtime. Pero tapos na ako mag-skincare. Hinugasan ko na yung aking mukha. Kasi lumabas tayo. Kapag hindi ako lumabas ng bahay, hindi ko na naman siya hinugasan. Kasi after ko maligo, nag-skincare ako. Pero yeah, lumabas tayo kanina. I'm gonna use this Nature Republic Ceramide na mask. Ultra hydrating. Ayan, inuuna ko yung mga malalaking mask. Ito yung Mask Monday from Yesstyle. I-leave ko yung link niya sa description box. Meron silang 3 eh. Pero nung chinek ko kanina, 2 na lang natira. Yung Trouble set at saka Variety set. I think this one is from the Moisture set. Oh my gosh, pumasok sa mata ko yung lash serum. Naglagay ako ng eyelash serum eh. Sa taas at saka sa baba. Pumasok sa mata ko. Beja. Ano yung eyelash serum na yan? Hindi siya mata-friendly. Ito ba? Ito yung ginagamit ko. Galing tong Charis. Changement Long and Curl Mascara and Eyelash Tonic. So, on the other side, mascara siya. On the other end, eyelash tonic or eyelash serum siya. Kapag na, siya sa mata, sa loob ng mata, na-irritate niya yung mata or maybe my eyes is just so sensitive. Pero yung kasi, yung nagamit ko na iba, Etude House, hindi naman yun irritating sa mata ko kapag pumasok man siya sa mata. Kasi hindi maiiwasan kasi eyelash serum sa nilalagay mo siya dun. Si Dan tumakbo. Palambing-lambing siya sa akin kanina. Sabi niya, pwede bang i-iron mo yung isang work shirt? Meron na kaya ako in-iron. Hindi niya lang napansin. So, in-iron ko na lang lahat na natira. May 3 natira dun eh. I mean, 2 na lang kasi nga na-iron ko na yung isa. Pero sinabi ko sa kanya kanina, ayoko. Tinatamad ako, ayoko mag-iron. Sabi niya, okay. Iron ko na lang siya pagdating ko ng bahay. Pero hindi ko yan ina-iron kasi minsan lang naman yan mang-utos. Ano siya? Parang milky yung consistency niya. Hindi siya clear. Ayan oh. See? Maganda to pang lotion. Dito na siya, guys. Ayan na yung niya. I ironed it.
Thank you, babe.
Do you see it? Do you like that one or not really?
Not really.
I ironed 2 more.
Ah, good. Thank you, though.
That's alright. Why don't you like that one?
I don't know. I don't hate it. It's just not my go-to shirt.
Have you worn it lately?
Yeah. Thanks, babe.
Kaya pala nandun lang yun, hindi niya pala ginagamit. Buting lang nag-iron pa ako ng iba. Anyway, malapit na tamaan na yung mask ko, guys. Yun na yung vlog. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. And kung gusto nyo lang naman, I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Bye.